In order to learn any sort of programming language, there are four key factors you really have to master. For any sort of language, doesn't matter it's Python, Java, Dart, JavaScript, any language, you really have to master these key four elements. First thing is the terms, the terminologies that a language have. Sometimes a programming language have different definitions for words, statements, and variables, and you have to really memorize all things like statements, variables, instantiations, things like that. I know these are things that really sounds complicated for you right now, maybe, I don't know, but believe me, it is really important for you to understand all those things so you can communicate, talk to other programmers, as well as, I mean, you're going to create a really good impact on your interviewers. And believe me, it's really important, not only because you can only communicate and talk with other programmers and make them understand things you just really want them to understand, but you can create a very good impact, and even you can communicate with your interviewer, and in the room of interview you're able to sound professional just by knowing that terms and definitions. So you have to really comfortable with that. And the other thing, which is that you really have to learn the data types of the specific language what you are learning and you're just going to work on. You can think data types some sort of bucket or something which will going to hold data for you, so you can use that later on. And we have different ways to store data, and it varies in every programming language. So there's no specific rule for that, but obviously basics will, and the foundation and fundamentals remains the same. Why we are really, I mean, worrying about to storing data and data types? Just because at the end of the day, in programming, we just really store data in our computer, and we just telling our computer to save that data and store that data, so we can use and utilize that later on when we just really wanted to use and perform some sort of action on that. And after manipulating data, and this is all in programming.